Hi, Dan Benamoz here. I want to talk to you for a couple minutes about marketing and how to make your marketing much more successful for a lot less money. The first thing before you go marketing is understand who your customer is, what they're interested in, what's the DNA of your customer. What I want to show you is something called a match report. Now this is something I ran for a store that I recently acquired. It was out of state. I knew the figures, which is why I bought the store, but I didn't know the community very well at all. Matter of fact, I didn't know them at all. So what I did was I took the database of customers from the last 6 months that we'd filled prescriptions. I inputted it into our match report system, and what I got was this 60-page printout. And just to give you an idea of what I found out about our customers, I found out the average age of our group was between 41 and 60 and 71 and above. I found out their income bracket level. I found out how many were married. I found out their ethnicity. 41% English, 10% German, 8% African American, 73% Protestant, 22% Catholic. 13% had an elderly patient in the home. Now that was very significant because 10% of your customers are on 4 or more medications. And that 10% group represents 54% of your sales. So that 13% group is really quite significant, what it could mean. Other things I found out 51% had children, their ages primarily 0 to 3. That's interesting because everybody knows in pharmacy the number one demographic is geriatrics, but most people aren't aware that the number 2 demographic is pediatrics. So now I've got a pediatric group to focus on. I also, amongst the other data I found, is 45% have an interest in pets. That actually meant they had pets in the home. Now, I didn't realize that's actually a very high number for a community, and I thought, well, our front-end sales in that store weren't doing very well. Maybe I ought to consider putting in a pet section. The point is, the more you know about your customers, the more you can target your marketing directly to them. The best part about doing a match report is now with the technology that we have available, and you know the type of customer that you're trying to go after, they can pick out of a zip code everybody in that particular zip code with those particular attributes that you're looking for, and you can mail directly to them or market directly to them. So it's essentially you can market to the needle and avoid the whole haystack. A lot better use of your money and definitely better return on investment.